They will. Oh my god! Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. As usual, we are at the market, so we thought we'll grab some ice cream. Okay guys, so I am headed to the gym and I wanted to show you guys my fit today. I am wearing my Nike shoes. I think this is the Adidas leggings and my Uniqlo bag, and I have this cute charm on it, and these sunglasses Tushar got me. I don't know where they are from. These are not like the expensive ones like the Saint Laurent one. And my top already I have shown you guys in the previous vlog. So that's my fit. Guys, I'm at the gym and I'm done with my workout finally. Literally dripping down sweat. It's time to go home. Okay guys, I am back from the gym and now I have to cook lunch. So I was thinking of taking a shower, but I think I should cook first so that and I'm cooking Indian, by the way, and like I'm gonna smell, my hair is gonna smell, so I'll just cook first and then take a shower after eating. I'm making this Maharashtrian dish called misal pav, which is like spicy, and it is made with these sprouts that I have. I've made it before also, but that vlog is Marathi, so I don't know, like you guys must have seen that or not. But they are like nice and sprouted. I shouldn't have touched this because I didn't wash my hands. Oh, okay, so I have washed my hands and now this I need to cook separately, but we are going to watch the Spider-Man movie today, so I'm going to show you guys that also in the vlog, and that is why I started this restarted this clip, is to tell you guys that we are going to the movies, and we got this membership. In that membership you get 4 free tickets on, and on Mondays and Tuesdays you get like 50% off or something like that, and it's in that membership. And a lot of movies this year that are coming, we want to watch that. I also want to watch the Ramayana. It's like Indian mythology, like Odyssey, but the Indian version of Odyssey, and it is starring my ex-favorite actors Ranbir Kapoor. I was in love with Ranbir Kapoor when I was like a teenager. I was obsessed. I would Google him all the time and I had like his pictures and everything. So he is starring in that movie, but I don't know if they will. Oh my god, you scared me! What the fuck? So he's starring in that movie. I don't know, that movie is going to be released in that theater because all the Bollywood movies, Hans Zimmer is giving music, and I think there is going to be an English version also being released of that movie, but I'm going to watch it in Hindi. And then all the Hindi Bollywood movies are released in another theater, and we have not taken that membership. This membership and this, bless you. And this membership that we do, the seats are like sofas, and like 2 of us sometimes sit together on one sofa. And yeah, so we're going to the Spider-Man movie today. But Tushar, we're going to take a cab. We are not going to bike because I had a very intense. By the way, guys, I had a very good workout today. Like I was like literally dripping sweat and stuff. So, and Tushar enjoyed himself while playing football. This is not me, okay? By the way, this is not me. Yeah. So okay, let's get cooking. You need to make the water. No, first you burn the onion and then go, because in the meantime it will cool. Okay, and the micromanager in me always comes out when we are in the kitchen. But that's it for this clip. We are gonna see you in the evening. Bye-bye. Answers in the wild. Okay guys, we are headed to
Makad Manus Chi movie.
we are headed to the movie and we are twinning. And
हम ये घास में कवर हो जाएंगे, दिखेंगे नहीं हम.
Oh yeah, because of the camouflage. So Tushar and me always before this, me and Tushar used to twin. So this is Primark, and this is Urban Outfitters, I think, and I'm wearing my Gucci's, but I'm gonna switch to something else and show your outfit. You know, one of our, he's wearing New Balance. This part.
माहित नाही H&M आहे आणि
This is-
लिवाईस आहे लिवाईस आहे
Levi's, yeah, and I'm wearing the wedding gift that Tushar gave me today. So that's our fit, and now we are gonna head. We are waiting for our cab, and then we're gonna head out. Guys, we are at this restaurant, and Tushar wanted to get some pizza.
मैं ऐसा
Like,
क्या करूँ फिर बार उसने देख लिया
cool. पहले पेट पूजा फिर काम दूजा. So we are here to eat some pizza, and then we are gonna head to the movie. And this restaurant has AC, and they've seated us at this like nice cute.
ट्रैश दिख रहा है उधर
I did not see that actually. Now that you pointed out, but my view is good. My view.
थोड़ा और देखो तो कचरा है
Oh yeah, you don't have a good view. You have the kachra and the. Okay, so this is our pizza, and these are the rice balls.
अरे अरे
Cut करो.
पालक और चावल है और चीज है
We also got the dessert. We went a little extra crazy.
ये गरम है केक गरम है
Okay.
आइसक्रीम ठंडा है
अरे तुम खाओ तो गिरा रहे हो.
सॉन्ग ऑफ फायर एंड आइस
Oh, how is it? Good. What the calories or no? Okay. Yes. What was that? Did you just ask me to pick up the check? Did you just ask me
You
to?
have my card. You have my card.
I'm gonna put this on splitwise.
पीछे वाले को लगा कि तुम स्ट्रीमर हो तुमने
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan.
New Spider-Man sighting. Location unknown. Location unknown. Location unknown. Location unknown. Location unknown. Location found.
Okay, we are back from the movie and it was good. Did you like it, T?
Yeah, it was a good movie.
Yeah, even I liked it.
ये लाइट की वजह से खुद गोरे लग रहे हैं और मेरे को काला कर रहे हैं. मैं अभी भी काला ही दिख रहा हूँ. Now I look better. But with तुम्हारे कंपैरिजन में तो मैं काला. The beard doesn't.
Just if you have watched the last vlog, you'll know. गोरा काला ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता, सब सुंदर होते हैं.
ये क्या हुआ नेक्स्ट लास्ट व्लॉग में?
तुमने vlog नहीं देखा मेरा?
क्या था लास्ट व्लॉग क्या था?
Excuse me.
एक मिनट लास्ट व्लॉग क्या था? ये अच्छा वो रूममेट ड्रामा था ना?
रूममेट ड्रामा के पीछे पड़े हो तुम.
वो नहीं था?
No, there's another vlog. Go and watch the vlog.
Okay, guys, I'll have to go and check the vlog.
Guys.
You also go and check the vlog.
I think it's a Marathi vlog, but yeah. Oh, my phone's gonna fall. But yeah.
Go check the other vlog, check this vlog, check the following vlog.
Check all the vlogs.
वापस पूरा प्लेलिस्ट बना के देखेंगे. कल बस में बस vlog ही देखेंगे हम.
Yeah. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. I wanted to show you guys some of my cleansing products that I use. So I don't put a lot of foundation in general, like I've shown you the skin tint that I use, but I wanted to show you what cleansing products I use to take off my makeup or like cleanse my face in general. If I'm wearing heavy foundation and I have like mascara on, eyeshadow and a lot of things on my skin, then I use this MAC cleanser and it's almost finished now. But now in regularly or like most of the time I don't tend to use foundations and stuff, so I don't use this a ton a lot. And genuinely, honest to God, I am really bad at taking off my makeup. I tend to just sleep in my makeup, which is not good because that causes you to break out. But if you're doing that, please don't do it. I am trying to be better at taking off my makeup before I go to bed, but just always remember to take off your makeup before you go to bed. And this one is like really good. You have to mix it a little bit before you use. I don't know, I think this is, I don't know if you will get this in India or not, but if you live in the US and UK, you can easily find this in Sephora or Ulta, which is going to be, I feel this is a really good product if you have like a thick amount of makeup going on. And then what I nowadays generally use is this oil cleanser, and I just searched for like a good light cleanser on TikTok and a lot of videos suggested me this, so I bought this. Any of this I'm not and if you want the links I can send you the link, but this is not any paid collaboration or anything. Like, these are the products right now I'm genuinely using, so I'm telling you what I am using. Might not suit to you, but I just wanted to share what I use. So this is like, this just does a good job. So it's like a oil, you just rub it on your face and some of the makeup is going to start coming off, and then with lukewarm water you're supposed to wash it off. And if you're not wearing anything heavy, so in my case I wear skin tint and a little bit of lipstick and blush, so everything comes off with this easily. And then I have shown you guys this product earlier also. This is a face wash. I'll tell you the honest reason why I bought this face wash, because I like the packaging and the color combination looked nice, and I know Clinique is a good brand for skincare, so she showed me this. And I have dry skin, by the way, so this T-zone that you see is oily, but my skin on my cheeks, my lips is usually dry, my neck is usually dry, and usually my body is also on the dry skin side, so I tend to lather like good amount of lotion and lock it in with a body oil because my skin tends to get dry. But if you have dry skin and combination skin, I will recommend this. It's good, it's not too harsh. I don't like things that are too harsh for you, or I don't like going with the like cotton pad and scrubbing things off my face because my skin is already dry. So if I'm like taking things off very vigorously, it's going to give I feel it's not good for your skin. So these are the 3 cleansing products that I have in my vanity, and I am not a hoarder. Like, I don't like too much stuff. In fact, if I have like start getting too much clothes, or like I start getting too much stuff around the house, I'm like throw away, like the opposite of hoarder. Like, I like to throw things away if there's too much of it. I've been behind Tushar for so many days. Like, let's clean all, like let's go all through all the boxes that we have, and let's try and get rid of things. That is how I am personally. So I'm not gonna have like 10 different kinds of cleansers and like 10 different face washes and 3 kinds of body washes. No, I just have one body wash, one shampoo, one conditioner, one face wash, one cleanser. This makeup remover I think I stole from my mom. One makeup remover, one cleanser, one face wash. That's it. Consumerism makes us hoard a lot of things, and I don't like having too much stuff. Like, even if you look at my house, like, it's not a lot of stuff, and that's how I like it. That's just my natural self, and I get it from my dad. My dad is also like that. If there's too much clutter in the house, he's gonna be like taking things and start throwing things away. I think that is it for my cleansers. Okay, so I wanted to get some work done, but I'm getting bored now. So for some entertainment purposes, I'm gonna call my mom. Let's see if she picks up my call or not. Pick up. It is 7 in Mumbai. Usually, I don't know, she might be driving or something. She didn't pick up. I guess she'll call me back. ये आवाज क्या कर रहा है?
कुछ नहीं, नीचे लॉबी में बैठी थी तो फोन लगाया.
ओके क्या कितना टाइम? अच्छा 7 बज रहे हैं ना अभी
7 o'clock होने वाले हैं.
ओके, वॉक के लिए आए थे?
हाँ, हो गया. अभी तो बैठी थी, मैंने फिर इसलिए फोन लगाया. तबीयत ठीक है बेटा?
यस ऑल गुड. आपकी तबीयत कैसी है?
मैं भी ठीक हूँ बेटा.
ओके, नाइस.
हाँ, अभी वो तीज का है ना, तो अभी डेली चली जाती हूँ सुबह. दोपहर में 12:30.
आपका श्रावण चालू हो गया?
हाँ बेटा, श्रावण चालू हो गया ना. अभी कितना 7-8 दिन हो गए.
ओके,
मतलब ये मंडे श्रावण का ही गया ना. हाँ.
मराठी लोग का अलग रहता है क्या? मतलब अलग टाइम पे चालू?
15 डेज के बाद. तुम्हारा 15 डेज के बाद अमावस्या होता है ना, तो 15 डेज के मतलब पहले हम लोग मतलब हो जाता है, और मराठी लोग 15 डेज के बाद करते हैं.
ओके.
अभी अमावस्या आएगी ना, तब से 12 तारीख से 12 तारीख से श्रावण चालू होगा.
Okay. Even if my one mom is busy, my other mom called me. I didn't even call her. She just called me. Usually I call her that if I'm getting bored, like I know that she's gonna be free around like 3-4ish, or like if she's done with her afternoon and nap. And then she called me. I was like, finally, someone to yap with. And my mom didn't call me back. But I'm gonna now keep calling her in like half an hour. I think around 7:30ish she should be like home, and then I'll call her. And then there's nothing to talk about as such today because we've already caught up on stuff. But let's see if there is some interesting news from the other side of the world. Project घेतलाय. This is in the evening, and I decided that I'm gonna go to the gym a little late. I had a good lunch today, like a heavy lunch, like rice and good curry. So I don't know if the rice is making me feel a little bit sleepy, but I'm gonna push through this and head to the gym, and I'm gonna drink some water. Guys, stay hydrated. If you want to cut some fat, water helps. That is what I have seen online on social media. I don't know if it's true or not, but I was doing some gua sha, so I'm gonna tie my hair. And I also wanted to close out this vlog, that's why I put a camera right in front of my face. So thank you so much for watching my vlogs, and my subscribers are steadily going up, which is a good thing. So thank you so much to my subscribers who subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.